This video will show you just how easy it is to get the hair you've always wanted. Our secure clips feature silicone grips for a secure, confident extension. They simply unclick open and click close. Here's how we do it. Start by brushing your hair with a good paddle brush to get rid of any tangles. Next, separate a straight, thin section of hair at the back of your neck in line with your ear and clip the rest of your hair with a clip. Now brush out a 3-clip piece of extension. Measure it against the back of your head to make sure you like the fit. Now clip the middle of the clip to the roots in the center of your head. Then, clip the sides into place. Now take a straight, thin section a little above the first clip. Clip the rest of the hair up and out of the way. Brush out the 4-clip piece of extension. Measure the fit. Find the center and clip in the 2 middle clips, then the clips on the outside. Next up, take a straight, thin section from ear to ear, a little above the previous 2 clips. Clip the rest of the hair up and out of the way. Brush out the second 4-clip weft. Measure against your head to make sure it fits. Now secure the 2 clips in the middle, and then the sides. This will be in the 175-gram set only, not the 120-gram set. Almost there! Separate a thin, straight section of your hair about 2 inches below the crown of your head and clip the rest of your hair out of the way. Brush out the next 3-clip weft. Check the fit against your head. Find the center of your head and click in the middle clip. Clip in the sides next. Next, we mix it up a little bit with 2 1-clip wefts. These go right above your ear, so separate a straight, thin section right above your left ear and clip the rest of your hair out of the way. Now brush out the 2 1-clip wefts. Go ahead and clip the first one right above your ear, and the second one right above the last. This last clip on the side of your head goes right above the previous 2 1-clip wefts. Separate the hair above those last 2 clips. Brush out a 2-clip weft and measure it up. Secure the first clip close to the top of your hairline, and then the second clip. Now repeat the same process on the right side of your head. Then just brush and style.